How to mute story on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute story on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the stories tab which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you are on the stories section, you can just tap to open any person's story. And now here, once you are inside that particular person's story, then what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, there you can see the option labeled as mute. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you do that, the stories will be hidden from your feed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.